All right, thanks, Isaac. And by the way, Mandy takes us back to the olden days. Now tell me, do you remember lava lamps? Well, this week, Mandy shows us how to make your own lamp, and you may already have most of these supplies at home. Here's Mom to Mom.
Today on Mom to Mom, we have a fun craft for those lava lamp enthusiasts in your home. Today we are making a lava lamp in a bag, and this is a really good sensory toy, especially for those babies and toddlers. So here's what you're going to need: a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. You're going to need some oil. It can either be cooking oil or baby oil. Then you're going to need watercolor. Watercolor is very important because, well, water and oil do not mix, and that's the key ingredient for making these lava lamps in a bag. Then you want some packing tape so you can seal it all together and it won't spill out. This is extremely easy to do. There's really no measuring involved. You can eyeball everything. So what you want to do is take your cooking oil and you just want to dump it in your bag. Now you can do however much you want. I'm just going to pour like that. Then you're going to take your watercolor. I like the neon colors because they're just brighter and they show up better. So you're going to just squirt in here. I think that's good. And then we're going to make sure all the air is completely out of the bag. Once we do that, we're going to put our tape around it so it cannot spill, especially when those babies and toddlers are playing with it. This is a fun way to teach your kids how oil and water don't mix, which is also the science of liquids, also known as hydrology. And you can also incorporate learning our colors. Parents, I hope your kids love this as much as mine do. And if you have any wonderful ideas, message us on our Facebook page and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.
Mom to Mom is brought to you by Pediatric Dentistry of Columbus.